Welcome to my 4th day of 33-day reset series, where I'm posting a video of my day every single day. This is a series about me returning to my wooden craft of making luxury pens. Hope you enjoyed the previous days, as today's side quest is visiting Highland. These are the rest of pens I need to take a photographs of, and we have all of them on website. And here is a second batch of them. After I spent 6 hours taking photos, editing them and uploading them to the website, I finally have all of them online, and tomorrow can return to the fun, artsy, dusty side of things. Now I'm heading to Swanston Farm in the Pentlands, where they are housing multiple fluffy ginger coos. Swanston village has a remarkable literary heritage, as it was the childhood summer retreat of Robert Louis Stevenson from 1867 to 1880. The young Stevenson spent his formative years exploring these rolling Pentland hills, which later inspired their landscapes in many of his famous works, including Treasure Island and Kidnapped. What a wee lovely lady told me where to find Highland cows, so let's see. The picturesque whitewashed cottages and pastoral setting of Swanston provided the perfect escape from Edinburgh's busy streets for the sickly boy who would become one of Scotland's greatest storytellers. It was here, among these very hills and Highland cattle, that Stevenson developed his love for adventure and the Scottish countryside that will define his writing forever. hope you enjoyed the 4th day in a row of videos. Please leave me a comment, hit that like button or check out my wooden pens online. So this was a very easy side quest. We've seen Highland cows and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again tomorrow.